Hi guys, you are welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to mold and install a design circle pillar. When I want to mold a design circle pillar, number one thing that normally comes into my mind is to look for a way to get a roofing sheet that I will use to construct my mold. I will go to a site where roofing work has taken place, or I will go to a building materials shop to buy a roofing sheet that I'm going to use to carve out a mold. After buying it, I will now use the roofing sheet to carve out my mold. Before carving it out, I will need to do measurements. Number one thing I need to consider is the size of the pillar I want to mold. So when I consider the size of the pillar I want to mold, then the size of the pillar I want to carve the mold is 12 inches. I will measure 12 inches and carve it out and put my design when carving it out. The design on the pillar is called groove design. As you can see by yourself how the design look like. After this, I will now consider the height of the pillar before molding so that I can know the size I will cut it after molding. So after molding the design circle pillar, I will now leave it for like 2 to 3 days for it to dry before installation. So in after 2 to 3 days, after leaving it for 2 to 3 days for it to dry, then in the day of installation, when I raise it up, I will first of all wash away the sand on it before installing it. After installing it, the concrete work will now come in. So concrete now coming in, the concrete work will now come in. But before that, I will use banding wire to hold it together for that concrete work to come in. Please subscribe to my channel so that when new video is uploaded, you will be notified. Thank you. Bye.